Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Rover for recurring clients step-by-step clear. To begin, open the Rover app or website. Log in to your account. Navigate to the Messages section. Find a previous client you want to set up for recurring services. Click on the client's message thread. Select the Schedule button. Choose the service you want to offer. Pick the start date for the recurring service. Set the duration of the service. Specify how often you want the service to repeat. Review the details of the service. Confirm the pricing. Click on Set up recurring service to finalize. Wait for the client to approve the request. Once approved, check your upcoming bookings. Manage any changes directly in the app. Make sure to communicate with the client about their preferences. Adjust your schedule as needed to accommodate the recurring service. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.